Cardi B in Detroit for her Little Miss Drama tour. This is her 17th sold out show. New drama, new fashion. Watch to the end and tell me what you think.
Y'all niggas ain't do the numbers that my last shit did. You hate on me, you see how the last bitch did. You think you see Cardi B, them bitch, you bugging. I got more money than the niggas that you be fucking. You said you love me. Let me get your singing with me. I wanna get married. Like the curtains, stepping out of shit. And we go like that, time in the kitchen shit. Yeah, you, TLC, you on the creeping shit. Hold out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Man, I thought you would've learned a lesson. Wow, like the pictures, now we turning Texas. I guess it's fine, man, I get the message. We still stutter after certain brushes. You keeping contact with certain exes. Do you know? Trust me, nigga, it's cool though.